have 4 babies.
There might still be more though.
We don't know.
Oh, no, that was Mickey.
Is this one?
No,
What's that?
that's what.
The blood.
That was the one with the short umbilical.
Okay. Can you make sure she's not like bleeding crazy? No, that's not the one.
Oh.
That's okay. She's okay then. Can we sucky this one?
Sucky, where's the sucky?
I don't know.
There's more.
Sucky.
There's always missing suckies.
Yeah. I found a sucky.
Oh, it's okay. No, Jace, you're
No,
gonna.
not one of those sucky.
She's just trying to get to all the other ones.
Yeah,
She wants to stand up, that's fine.
Yep, that's fine. But I want to make sure that she doesn't think Jace is a cat.
Hold on.
Oh,
I knew it. Yeah, I'm gonna let this
Bunch of
stretch.
liquid.
Because it stresses me out.
she's pushing. It's okay. Why is her tail so red? Is that from the umbilical
I
cord?
don't know.
Yeah. It was there before.
She's.
I don't know.
It's okay.
Okay, Anna Mae, how about you put that on your head and then start slowly grab one and start cleaning off each
You know
one.
what?
What it,
You know what we need to? Is we need warm water.
We should get
We'll
that
get that.
after.
Yeah, we'll get that.
Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, I'm making everybody feel crazy. Oh, you look like your sister.
Doesn't she? That's what I was thinking.
Is this one need sucky? He keeps turning his head. Which
I don't
one's
have
the
a
girl?
second. Remember when
I gave my money.
Oh, you did? Sorry.
Put it in your hand.
Here. And the other one's in my pocket.
Hi, baby.
let's use the used one, right?
They're both used. Just consider them both used.
See?
I just checked this one to make it keeps shaking his head.
Well, he's still a mess.
It's actually not that cold,
It's really
buddy.
actually pretty nice.
Good job, Star. Oh,
Let her stand
just
up.
I know, but it,
Oh, she's pushing.
Look in the other direction. Look in the other direction. Look at the cute little babies. Yep.
he'll figure it out.
Hell no.
Oh my goodness, who's the loud mouth?
This one. You get all the junk off your face.
Oh.
And pick up his face.
We seriously heard her
A little tiny
little.
guy.
She does
She
not
didn't
yell.
make any noise.
Uh-uh.
Oh, look at these. You're like,
They're so cute.
I think she must be done.
Uh,
She's got to push that.
But I'm not sure. They can like wait for like up to like 30 minutes for another baby.
actually, they wanna be done around 15-20, I think, if I remember right.
Yeah, but it still definitely has not been that long. So
Okay.
Hi everyone, welcome to Wild Country Acres. So glad that you're back. As you can see, we had the Great Goat Watch of 2023 Part 1 start. I'm going to link it up here for you in case you want to be updated on the first part of this in case you missed it. Star had her babies, as you can see. She didn't just have 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. When I got done with that video, she ended up having a 5th kid. It is so awesome. They are a little bit on the smaller side. They're a little bit more wobbly. We're giving them, we just gave them some selenium and vitamin E as a supplement today. And we are going to be supplementing their feeding. They are not going to get all they need off of Star. She is a smaller dwarf goat. She's being a very excellent mom. And so far, so good. They did really, we put little sweaters on them, as I said before, and we make them out of socks. We put little sweaters on them overnight. They stayed toasty, roasty, warm. We've been going out there every few hours to give them a bottle. They're also still nursing, and we're very, very excited. Now, they are 4 males, which is a buckling when they're small. It's a buckling. And 1 female, which is called a doeling. And it's a doe when it's older, and it's a doeling when it's young. So very, very excited news. I'm going to share a few more pictures that we've been able to snap within the last, 12 hours? Not even, something like that. It was a very long night, very early wake up call to church, but we got there. So hopefully you enjoy these. Thank you so much for watching. We will keep you updated on all the good news, and hopefully we will have some more great goat updates, part 3, 4, 5, and 6, because we have 2 more does left to kid. They're a little bit further out, but they're getting there. So again, thank you so much for watching. Check out these photos. You're gonna love them. Have a great night.